Tom, hey there! What a nice surprise running into you. Leo, good morning. Are you heading to the school now? All right, everyone. Remember, your homework is due Friday.
Yay! See you tomorrow, Mr. Leo.
The word serene really fits this spot under the tree. It means calm and peaceful, exactly how I feel right now. So I told him, you can't conjugate amoeba like that.
Wait, he actually tried.
That is brilliant. Try adding a little more yellow right there, Mia.
Oh, okay. It looks great now.
Wow, that's beautiful.
These are absolutely wonderful, everyone. You should be very proud of your work.
Road trip time!
Let's go, let's go!
Shotgun!
All right, settling in, everyone. Welcome to Yellowstone, everyone! We finally made it!
This is gonna be the best trip ever.
All right, class, repeat after me. Deer.
Deer!
Wow, look at that!
It's incredible, isn't it?
I can't believe how wide it is.
Okay, everyone, today we are learning about the word river. Can you say?
River! River!
I'm so glad we decided to walk this path today. It's absolutely stunning.
It really is. I love the way the sun hits the water. Look, everyone, it's a sea turtle. Wow, it's huge. I've never seen one this close before.
Look at that magnificent flow. The sheer volume of water here is breathtaking, isn't it? Okay, everyone, say cheese!
Wow, that looks amazing.
Send that to me, Leo. This is a waterfall. It's when water cascades down from a high place. See how it flows. Very good.
We made it!
That's Old Faithful, everyone. The most famous geyser in the world.
Isn't this absolutely incredible, everyone? Look at the sheer power.
Wow, I've never seen anything like it. Look at that. It's absolutely massive. Wow, I can't believe how high it goes. It's stunning.
Who's ready for an adventure?
This is the best news ever. Woohoo!
Today's word is geyser. It's when steam and water erupt from the earth.
Wow, that makes sense.
Look at the colors on this one, gang.
It's incredible, Leo. I've never seen anything like it.
Welcome, everyone. Aren't these springs incredible?
I can't believe how colorful they are.
The orange one looks amazing. Let's go check it out.
The colors are beautiful.
Look at the steam rising. This happens when the water is heated geothermally, creating these beautiful springs. And look, over there, a magnificent bison family.
Wow, they're huge. Look how fluffy he is. I want to pet him. I don't think that's a good idea, Jake, but he is amazing.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Bison.
Bison!
That's excellent. You got it.
Honestly, I could eat 5 more of these.
Slow down there, Leo. They are really good, though.
Tom's right. Don't get too carried away.
Today, we're looking at nature vocabulary. See the squirrels over there. They are gathering acorns for the winter.
Oh, wow, look at that one.
It landed right on his shoulder. And then I said, "Are you kidding me? It's right there."
That is the funniest thing I've heard all week.
We should definitely check out those glowing mushrooms. Wow, look at that wingspan. It's incredible.
I've never seen one that close before.
Okay, class, repeat after me. Eagle.
Eagle!
Excellent, you got it. Look, everyone, we made it. Isn't the view spectacular from up here? What a perfect day for an adventure. Come on in for the photo.
This is the best view ever. Look at that!
Isn't that amazing, everyone? A magnificent brown bear.
It's incredible.
And if you look closely right here, you can see the tracks of a grizzly bear. Wow, that is absolutely fascinating, Ranger. Look, a squirrel. Okay, class, look at the board. Bear. Can everyone say bear?
Bear.
Wonderful job, everyone. Isn't this view absolutely breathtaking, everyone?
It really is, Leo.
This is the perfect spot. Everyone squeeze in.
Ready.
Say Yellowstone. I think I got it this time. Yes, perfect. Nice job, everyone. This campsite is looking amazing.
Look at that.
We did it.
Wow, perfect campfire.
Look at this one, it's perfect. Mine is definitely burnt. I like them that way.
So I told him, I said, I'm not a grammar references, and I just like to use commas where they belong. And the waiter said, are you serious?
Wow, did you see that shooting star? If you look closely now, you can see the rings of Saturn just above the ridge. The sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy. Now, who knows what a group of stars is called? Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, the early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the most beautiful view. And that, friends, is a yellow warbler. They migrate through here every spring.
Oh, wow. I've never seen one up close before.
Great teamwork, everyone. We're all packed up.
Yep, ready to go.
Did someone get the cooler?
We got it.
Okay, everyone, look. This is the path I was telling you about. It leads straight to the waterfall overlook.
Look at that view, everyone. It's absolutely breathtaking.
I love the way the light hits the water.
Aren't they absolutely stunning? Look at the colors on this tulip.
Oh, it's perfect.
I found this one.
Wow, that's a perfect specimen for our collection, Sophie.
Okay, everyone, today we are learning about the leaf. Can you say leaf?
Leaf. Leaf.
Oh, wow, look, everyone.
Woo.
He's adorable.
What a beautiful little guy. Can everyone say this word with me? Fox.
Fox.
Okay, everyone ready?
Whoa! Look at the geyser!
Quick, take it. This is perfect.
You all did wonderfully on the English project. I'm so proud.
We couldn't have done it without you, Leo.
What did we learn today?
Oh, and yo, I learned mountain.
Well done, Leo. We're really proud of you.
You deserve it. Thanks, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you.
And that is why the past perfect is so fascinating.
Look, a giant squirrel.
Oh my goodness, it's huge. So I told him, of course we can make it by then.
You really said that? I can't believe it.
Wait, and then he seriously tried to jump over the fence. Check this one out.
Okay.
Oh, wow, look at Jake.
That is too funny, I love it.
And look at this one from the trip to the beach.
Oh, Leo, I remember that. You were covered in sand.
You almost lost your trunks in the waves.
Remember when we tried to bake that cake for Mrs. Gable and the fire alarm went off?
Oh, Leo, that was the best disaster ever.
Let's try these words again, everyone. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Great job. Now, apple.
Apple.
Look at that rainbow in the mist. I've never seen anything like it. We have to capture this moment.
Let me tell you about the time I saw a real American bison up close. It was incredible.
So I told him, that's not a preposition, that's a squirrel. And then the squirrel climbed the tree. Nature is a great teacher. What do you say we all go to the movies tonight?
Yes! Woohoo! That sounds great!
That is why English is so much fun. When you use the Oxford comma correctly, everyone wins.
We love the Oxford comma.
So this is the correct structure for the passive voice.
Does that apply to irregular verbs too?
Yes, absolutely. You got it. Adventure helps us learn.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Leo. Have a good one. Hey, guys, come on in. The lighting out here is incredible, right?
Absolutely stunning, Leo.
We were just saying the same thing. What's for dinner?
Okay, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Perfect shot, Leo.
Thanks for learning with us. See you out in nature.